Let us begin by mashing 1 cup of ripe bananas. Then add 2 large eggs. Add in 1/4 cup of milk at room temperature. Add 1/2 cup of honey or maple syrup. Pour in 1/3 cup of coconut cream. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Sprinkle over 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then mix them thoroughly. Now add into the mixture 1 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now mix them well for about a minute or 2. Prepare your baking pan lined with paper foil. Gently pour in the mixture into it. Bake it at 160 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes. This is how your whole wheat banana bread would look like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to view more videos in the future.